Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Bluesky. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we'll search about Bluesky and we click. Here in this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.